Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald William, will going to teach you about antiemetic drug. Vomiting occur due to stimulation. Before starting, I need to tell you about vomiting. Vomiting occur due to stimulation of vomiting center situated in the medulla oblongata. It receives input from GI mucosa, chemoreceptor, trigger zone, and vestibular apparatus. First, we will study about emetics. These are drugs used to evoke vomiting. Act on CTZ apomorphine act reflexly and on CTZ epiquana. Vomiting needs to be induced only when an undesirable substance has been ingested. Powdered mustard suspension or strong salt solution may be used in emergency. They act reflexly by irritating the stomach. Apomorphine act as dopaminergic agonist on the chemoreceptor trigger zone, promptly induce vomiting. Epiquana, dried root of Cephalus epiquana, contains amytine and is used as syrup epicac for inducing vomiting. Antiemetics, these are drugs used to prevent or suppress vomiting. Antiemetics, anticholinergic hyoscine dicyclomine, neuroleptic D2 blocker, chlorpromazine, trifluoropromazine, prochlorperazine, prokinetic drugs, metoclopramide, domperidone, cisapride, mosapride, etopride, levuselpride, cinetapride, NK1 receptor antagonist, aprepitant, fosaprepitant, H1 antihistamine, promethazine, diphenhydramine, dimenhydrinate, roxylamine, maclozine. 5-HT3 antagonist, ondansetron, granisetron, pelonositron, ramosetron, adjuvant antiemetics, dexamethasone, benzodiazepine, and dronabinol. It receives input from GI mucosa, chemoreceptor, trigger zone, and vestibular apparatus. Irritation of GI mucosa by drugs or irritant leads to release of serotonin and stimulate vomiting center via 5-HT3 receptor. CT set is rich in dopamine and serotonin and neurokinin receptor. Motion sickness occurs due to stimulation of vestibular apparatus and cerebellum. These structures result in stimulation of vomiting center by activating M1 and H1 receptor. By stimulation of H1 receptors, histamine plays a histamine plays a permissive role in all types of vomiting. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, condition in which acid in the stomach reaches the esophagus and causes mucosal inflammation. Two strategies for the management of this condition are either to decrease the acid production or to increase the forward movement of GIT. The drugs used for increasing the GI motility are known as prokinetic drugs. Prokinetic drugs, these are drugs which promote gastrointestinal transit and speed gastric emptying by enhancing coordinated propulsive motility. Metoclopramide act through both dopaminergic and serotonergic. First, dopaminergic. Dopaminergic inhibitory transmitter in GIT act to delay gastric emptying when food is present in stomach and cause gastric dilation and lower esophageal sphincter relaxation than attending and attenuating nausea and vomiting. Drugs that block D2 receptor, hastening gastric emptying and enhancing lower esophageal sphincter tone by augmenting acetylcholine release. Next is serotonergic. 5-HT4 agonism, metoclopramide act in GIT. Increase acetylcholine release from mesenteric motor neurons result in 5-HT4 receptor activation on primary afferent neurons of the ENS that will activate excitatory interneuron. 5-HT3 antagonism. Drugs block 5-HT3 receptor present on inhibitory mesenteric interneuron. Peripheral action can augment acetylcholine release in gut. Domperidone, D2 receptor antagonist. Its prokinetic action is based only on D2 receptor blockade in upper GIT and is not attenuated by atropine. 5-HT3 antagonist ondansetron drugs block depolarizing action of 5-HT exerted through 5-HT3 receptor on vagal afferent in GIT as well as in nucleus tractus solitarius and chemoreceptor trigger zone. Cytotoxic radiation produces nausea and vomiting by causing cellular damage, releases mediators including 5-HT from intestinal mucosa, activation of vagal afferent in gut, and resulting in transmission of emetogenic impulses to the NTS and CTZ. Ondansetron block emetogenic impulses mainly at their peripheral origin in the GIT. Does not block dopamine receptor NK1 receptor antagonist, realizing that activation of interleukin in CTZ and NTS by substance P released due to emetogenic chemotherapy and other stimuli plays a role in causation of vomiting.